guys, I'm Rita and I am Digital Accountant. In today's episode, I will share my review about Kashoo accounting software, mainly about truly small accounting package. That's what I actually tested and trialed. It is my personal review and it has been not influenced by any other opinions or reviews. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software, so truly small accounting package, a tutorial where I am sharing or I am taking role on as an origami master who sells their products online or based on custom orders. So if you haven't seen it yet, as I said, link in the description section below. So this review will be combined of mix of some good points and some not so good points. And without dragging this intro very long, let's start my review. Pricing. Kashoo accounting software provides multiple subscription packages, and the most expensive package is called Kashoo. Medium range package is called Truly Small Accounting, and the cheapest, basically don't pay any money for it, is called Truly Small Invoicing. So if you are a purely based service business who wants to issue invoices and send estimates, then you can use Truly Small Invoicing for free. But for additional cost, you can enable a couple more features like enabling online payments using Stripe links, or if you want to have essential reporting and have a track of your income and client activity, then you would need to pay a little bit extra under Truly Small Invoicing to use these features. If you want to upload receipts, add supplier invoices, enable bank feeds, so run all your business operations, there is a cheapest subscription package covering all these bookkeeping functions and features, and it is called Truly Small Accounting. But if your business is a larger scale, as I mentioned, there is a most expensive package for it available called Kashoo. You can test and trial both paid packages, Truly Small Accounting and Kashoo, 14 days for free. To sign up for those packages, you actually do not need to share your bank or card details, and after 14 days trial, once it's expired, you can extend your subscription, or if you decide that that is not a good fit for you, just cancel your subscription. Banking. If you enable bank feeds, all transactions from your bank will show up on your Truly Small account. In my case, I'm talking about Truly Small Accounting package, but the same will apply if you will have Kashoo accounting software package, so the more expensive one. All those transactions, what you are left to do is to categorize, attach support documents, and post on your system. The one good point, what I wanna mention, is that your software actually will read or learn where you try to categorize those transactions to. So if you have some transactions which repeat week on week or month on month, system will automatically select category for you, so you don't need to go and look for place where this transaction need to be posted to. And if you are happy with what system have selected, just post on a system. Makes life easier and simple, right? But if you do not want to enable bank feeds and you want to upload your bank statements manually, then Kashoo accounting software actually allows only 3 types of files, like types of files that can be uploaded on Kashoo accounting software. And unfortunately, CSV files, PDF files, or Excel files are not one of those support document or document files formats that you can upload. And to be honest, I was quite surprised to see that CSV files are not acceptable type of format to be uploaded. Why, I have no idea, but there is only 3 provided, and if you have one of those 3 file formats, you will be able to upload your transactions on Kashoo accounting software. But if you decide not to upload a bank statement because, like in my case, I would have CSV or PDF file available, I will need to make sure that all transactions are posted and your bank actually matches with bank in your accounting software, so balances matches. So you will need to manually make sure that you add a payment on your supplier invoices, add a payment on the customer invoices, and if you have purchased something and you have receipt, you can upload that receipt and it will record transaction for that as well. But if you have made a, let's say, wages payment or you have bank fees to post, you will need to figure out how that journals will need to be posted on system to make sure that your bank actually balances with your balance on your accounting software. Mobile app. Kashoo accounting software has got mobile app. Okay, let's correct myself. They have 3 mobile apps, so each subscription package will have their own mobile app which you need to download and log in with your account details. I downloaded Truly Small Accounting and logged in to check what I can do and what I cannot do on this mobile app. And one thing which actually froze me was that you cannot actually issue customer invoices. It doesn't allow you to issue invoices to your customers from mobile app. Also, when I tried to take a snap or take a picture of receipt, it didn't upload. It just froze my whole mobile app screen and I needed to close mobile app and reopen so I could go to next sections. You can actually add an expense or expense refund, income or income refund, and record that transaction. That system allows you to do. I tried to attach a receipt, it didn't work. So I don't know if that is a bug in mobile app, but not a lot what I can do. It's just my review and feedback about mobile app when I tested and trialed it. And one of the last parts, which are very good, is reports. So you can review profit and loss statement, balance sheet, as well as to see your supplier and customer statements only for outstanding or overdue invoices or amounts. So not invoices, amounts. So you can see to which suppliers you actually need to pay and if you are overdue the payment terms, and for which customers actually due money to you and if they have used over the payment terms as well the time period, so you can chase them out. That's in summary about mobile app. If you wanna click on transactions that have not been entered on your mobile app, it will show a pop-up and will direct you to your web browser. So not a lot of good features that you could use on mobile app in my personal opinion, unless you want to see your business position like through profit and loss statement or balance sheet. MultiUser Access. So if you have multiple team members or maybe you have another business owner as well, then you do not need to worry because Truly Small Accounting package or Kashoo accounting package provides unlimited user access to these 2 packages. Go to settings section, manage users, and invite a user that you want to add to your account. There's 2 user permissions. Either you can give this person an admin access or a business owner access. So there is no limit on users on both of those packages, and that's amazing. Auto uploads. So guys, if you have a folder or box with all your receipts and also supplier invoices, then there is easier way how you can enter these receipts on your Kashoo accounting software. Instead of manually entering details and trying to figure out description line and etc., if you upload your receipt, and you can actually upload, let's say 10 receipts, and each receipt will have a separate transaction line created. And that transaction line will include, for example, name of or company's name or individual's names or whatever you have on that receipt, will take an amount, and if system have seen similar receipts previously, it will try to already put category to that transaction. This receipt will be automatically digitally stored to that transaction. All what you need to do is just check details, and if there is no category, allocate to category, for example, like to go to travel, or if you purchase some materials, to categorize it to materials and post on your system. The same approach works very well for invoices. Upload invoices or upload 10 invoices, and every invoice will have a separate transaction line created. Check, amend if needed, and post on system. Easy and simple, and saves so much time because you do not need to manually find the details and information from receipt. System does it for you. I hope you will find my Kashoo review useful, but if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo Truly Small Accounting tutorial, where I present my origami business. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next episode.